Hello guys, we're going to do the fidget pad thing. So these are my favorite fidget toys. This is a fidget pad. It's really small and you can take it anywhere. So two of the buttons make clicking noises. The other two don't. Then we got your joystick thingy. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. You got your joystick thingy. You got your flippy thingy. You got your smooth side where you go like that, like it rotates. Then you got like a light switch thingy. You got this thing that like rolls. You got this thingy that rolls. Got this thing that rolls. This thing that rolls. Okay. So that was my video. Bye bye. Sorry for the background noise of my motherfucking family. Nah.